Hello guys, and welcome to a quick Bitcoin update video. We're going to take a quick look at Bitcoin on the lower time frames and on the higher time frames. First and foremost, on lower time frames, I don't really have any major predictions. We have pretty much just been ranging after the breakouts. Breakout, range, it pretty much just keeps going. And longs have not pretty much been wiped for a few days. Shorts have been wiped out like crazy the last 4 days. And I think it's time to wreck some shorts. Not necessarily today, but tomorrow or Monday. I am expecting a flush to take out some shorts. That would at least make very much sense. So in lower time frames, we have VWAP, pretty important, and we have pretty much daily low, which remains of course important. Single print above, also interesting as always, but don't really have any lower time frame expectations or any zones of really major interest. This is my higher time frame chart, which remain extremely important. We have trend line, key highs, and we have pretty much this trend line with range point control. The key thing now, in my opinion, would be to watch how we react to this range point control right now and this trend line. If we're going to get a bullish retest and continuation, I'm expecting this range value high to get tested. At least that's what's making sense. So to the upside, key zone here to hold, potential short around here towards the range point control, and also of course have a short zone around the previous week's high, of course. And below, if we potentially would get a bearish retest, breakdown, bearish retest around here, I'm expecting a flush towards 60.5 to 61k. That makes major interest and major sense to me as the price action looks right now. And of course, testing the range value low after potentially failing range point control makes total sense based on range theory. So that was my pretty much quick and simple Bitcoin update for today. Thank you so much for watching. Tomorrow we're going to have a little bit deeper understanding of the next week in terms of zone. We're going to get good old technical analysis, and as I used before, I was going to cover the news for next week, cover a few spot ideas, and cover where to look for major swings and so on. I'm going to cover everything pretty much, and trade plans, trade ideas, and what I'm going to look for. And I have major bonuses on all exchanges pretty much in the description. BloFin mostly the best exchange in my opinion. Also Weex, extremely good exchange. Weex, Kcex, BloFin, BingX, pretty much OKX, Bybit EU, everything. So if you need a place to trade and descriptions to get discounts, link in the description. And also taking in more people in my group right now, where I'll share trades, ideas every day and learning things, because it's a fantastic community. And if you're a serious trader and want to get good help, I think you all should check it out. Thank you so much for watching the video, and see you with a detailed video tomorrow on Bitcoin. Bye.